gorgeous resort-style building across from the ocean. The largest and most desirable one-bedroom unit features an open floor plan with breathtaking intracoastal, ocean and city views. Large open kitchen with granite countertops and stainless steel appliances. Spacious living room and dining room, great for entertaining. Full washer-dryer in the unit. Walk-in closet and 2 additional storage closets. Unit is in immaculate condition, owner-occupied and never used as a rental. 24-hour staff front desk, doorman, state-of-the-art gym facility, community lounge with catering kitchen, business center, conference room, dog walkway, 1 aside storage unit. OMYC is incredibly well managed and maintained by a team of friendly staff. Association has high reserves and low maintenance fees.